Exploring the world of AI, what it is and how it works. Hi and welcome to our video about artificial intelligence. In this video, we'll be exploring what artificial intelligence is, how it works, and its various applications. We'll also touch on some of the ethical concerns surrounding AI and look at where the field is headed in the future. So let's get started. What is AI? Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the ability of a machine or computer system to mimic the cognitive functions of a human, such as learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. Essentially, AI allows machines to think and act like humans. There are two main types of artificial intelligence: narrow or weak AI, and general or strong AI. Narrow AI is designed to perform specific tasks, such as image recognition or language translation. It is designed to be good at one specific task, but not necessarily able to perform other tasks. On the other hand, general AI has the ability to perform any intellectual task that a human can. It is able to adapt to new situations and learn new things, just like a human. History of AI. The concept of artificial intelligence has been around for centuries, with roots dating back to the ancient Greeks. However, it wasn't until the 1950s and 60s that AI began to take shape as a scientific field. In 1956, a group of researchers gathered at Dartmouth College for a conference on artificial intelligence, which is often considered the birthplace of the field. In the decades that followed, AI has undergone many ups and downs, with periods of rapid progress followed by lulls in funding and interest. However, in recent years, AI has seen a resurgence of interest and investment, thanks in large part to advances in machine learning and the proliferation of big data. How does AI work? At its core, artificial intelligence relies on algorithms, or sets of instructions that tell a computer what to do. There are many different types of AI algorithms, but they can generally be classified into two main categories: supervised learning and unsupervised learning. In supervised learning, the algorithm is trained on a labeled data set, meaning that the data is already labeled with the correct output. For example, if you wanted to train an AI to recognize different types of animals in images, you would provide the algorithm with a data set of images labeled with the type of animal in each image. The algorithm would then learn to classify new images based on the patterns it learned from the labeled data set. In unsupervised learning, the algorithm is not given any labeled data and must find patterns and relationships in the data on its own. An example of unsupervised learning might be clustering, where the algorithm groups similar data points together. Another important aspect of AI is natural language processing, or NLP, which refers to the ability of a computer to understand and generate human language. NLP is used in a variety of applications, including language translation, chatbots, and voice assistants. Applications of AI. Artificial intelligence has a wide range of applications across many different industries. Some examples include healthcare. AI can be used to analyze medical images, such as X-rays and MRIs, to help diagnose diseases. It can also be used to analyze patient data to predict the likelihood of certain medical conditions and recommend treatment options. Finance. AI can be used to analyze financial data and make investment recommendations, as well as to detect fraud and money laundering. Transportation. AI is being used to develop autonomous vehicles, such as self-driving cars and drones. Ethical concerns. While artificial intelligence has the potential to bring many benefits, there are also a number of ethical concerns that need to be addressed. Some of the main issues include bias. AI algorithms can sometimes perpetuate and amplify biases that exist in the data used to train them. For example, if an AI system is trained on a data set that is predominantly male, it may have a harder time recognizing and correctly classifying images of women. Transparency. AI systems can be difficult to understand and interpret, which can make it hard to explain how they arrived at certain decisions or predictions. This lack of transparency can be a problem in situations where the consequences of an AI decision are significant, such as in healthcare or criminal justice. Impact on jobs. There is concern that the increasing use of AI will lead to the automation of many jobs, potentially resulting in significant job loss. Conclusion. Artificial intelligence is a rapidly evolving field with the potential to bring many benefits, but it also raises a number of ethical concerns that need to be carefully considered. As we continue to explore the capabilities of AI, it's important to keep these issues in mind and work to develop ethical guidelines and standards for the use of AI. Thanks for watching. We hope you have a better understanding of what artificial intelligence is and how it works.